Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Capricorn. And Capricorn, I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may give you clarity, may answer some questions you have in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading. And Capricorn, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So let's start with these cards here for your general energy. So it's Devil, Knight of Pentacles in reverse, and Two of Cups in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, you are someone with a lot of confidence, devotion to your goals and dreams. You are trying to do things the right way, working hard, a very devoted person. But today, in your situation, in your life, in your personal life, or in your career, though you are a very friendly person, trying to have a beautiful connection with this person you love, you feel that circumstances are not good. So, however hard you are trying, you are not seeing the change today. And some kind of you feel that you are stuck in some ways, unable to make a choice for yourself, or unable to plan something for your life, for your future. So, you have something that is holding you back. It may be your circumstances or the way things are today going in your life today. And you're making great efforts trying to resolve the difficulties you are seeing in your relationship, or it may be in your career. But whatever is happening today, it looks like you are powerless to change anything. And however hard you are trying to see some changes, circumstances are not changing. And you feel really lost, sad, or worried, anxious. But this card here, Capricorn, though it is in reverse, it's a very positive card. So maybe your efforts and your devotion, it may not bring some changes today, but it is definitely going to bring a change in this person's heart or change in the way things are going in your life today. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's Seven of Wands. So you are trying your best, doing your best, making efforts, and maybe, just like I said, if you truly love this person and if you feel that there is something, at least a bit of love this person has for you, they are reciprocating that love towards you, this connection will be moving towards something good. Maybe it may be a long way to go, but you will see the changes, glimpses of something good coming in your life today. So, in a very unexpected way, this person will change their decision, or this person will change their heart. So, they will understand you and they will realize your true love, and this person will definitely come back to you, Capricorn, because of your efforts, your devotion and dedication to this love. So that is the energy here with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. we have Four of Swords in reverse. So, with this card in your circumstances, you need to think and plan. That is going to help you. Maybe if you are making some important choices today, you must think, and maybe if there is someone who is telling you something, maybe some valuable advice, you must listen to it and you must proceed with utmost precautions today. And if you are prudent enough making the right choice, you will see success in your career very soon, Capricorn. So that is the energy with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, truth be told. Such a beautiful card here, guys. So in your circumstances, in your relationship, this is the time to be your true self, whatever truth you have, true to your thoughts, emotions, your intentions, and clarity of communication. So people will tell you who they are quickly if you are willing to listen to what they say and pay attention to how they are behaving with you. And if you talk to them freely, have that open conversation, you will see the truth. And it is time to see what is true for you and what you share with each other. And tell this person or tell someone who is close to you what you are, what you truly want. So, this is the time for that. And no one can do that for you because no one will know what is true in your heart. You must come out with that truth. So, your truth is based on the experiences you have and your personality. So, when you talk to this person about what you truly feel and what are your intentions, when that communication happens in a very honest way, you will find a higher truth that will help you to be more attuned to yourself. That will make you see things more clearly with more clarity. So, this is the time for you should not hold yourself back. Speak your truth and listen. That is going to work in a beautiful way in your relationship. So, the same way in your work, what are your truthful desires? What do you want to be? What is true for you? You must go for that. So, what are your desires for a prosperous life? You must think of it and plan for it. So, if you want to be a painter, are you making the efforts to achieve that goal? Or if you want to be a singer, are you being true to your calling you have? Whatever you wish for. So, this is the time for you to do that, being true to your thoughts, emotions, your goals. That is going to help you find your happiness and abundance. So, that is the energy here. A very beautiful card for you guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So, I will keep this aside. For those who chose this second card, we will see what it is. Show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. So, with this card in your circumstances today, so maybe you are too much obsessed with something, or you are thinking of something, worrying about something, but This may be the time for you to detach a little from whatever situation you are asking about. And maybe for some of you, you are trying to avoid someone, keeping someone at an arm's distance. But it is not a bad thing. But if you want your life to unfold as it is, whatever needs to be done, you must not have that fear or anxiety. You must never hold yourself back from showing the world the real you. And it is important for you to let life flow as it should and manifest things as it should. So instead of holding back or avoiding something, that is not going to help you in any way today, guys. And you need to believe in yourself because you are a very unique person, and your unique characteristics are what makes you special. So, in this relationship, are you being too aloof or detached? So, you must be aware of your feelings and be prepared to move on with your life and think with your heart and not with your head. Sometimes, when we think too much, we just hold ourselves back. But this may be the time for you to think with your heart, and there is someone in need of you who needs you desperately, and you must go for their help, or you must at least talk to this person. You are trying to avoid them, and in your circumstances, you are going to see something unexpected, an unexpected turn of events waiting to unfold. But you must stay strong, focused, have that belief and trust in yourself, and believe that everything is happening for the highest good. So, whatever happening next may be quite unexpected, but you will come out of the situation um, with more clarity if you can hold on, wait. So, that is the energy here with this card for you. So, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.